There are certain improvements to any property that can boost the resale value. ROI is a measure of how much money is earned relative to the amount of money spent on an investment. Owning a home is a big investment, and renovating your house can cost a lot, but it often increases your overall property value at the time of sale. Let's go over some of the best improvements to make to your home right now. The factors that can affect the overall rate of return on a home remodeling project include buyer preference, market trends, and location. While making renovations to your house, thinking of the future and what buyers are looking for can increase the property's value when it comes time to sell. Don't over-improve your property unless you're doing it for your own lifestyle benefit. Investing $80,000 into a landscaping project for a house that's valued at $180,000 is probably not wise from a return perspective. Consider how long you may keep the property, and this may guide you better when it comes to prioritizing home improvement projects. Bathroom remodeling is one of the home improvements that brings the highest ROI. It has a return on investment of 71%, and if a bathroom is added to the house, the ROI is estimated at 63%. Bathroom remodels usually start at $5,000 and average $10,978 depending on the size of the room and the project scope. Adding in a bathroom will usually cost between $7,000 and $12,500 on average, but it can be as high as $80,000. Your selection of finishes, labor, and the extent of renovation will affect the overall cost. Kitchen remodels typically bring in return on investments of over 75%. The kitchen is by far the most important room in the house for a buyer. A stunning kitchen not only dramatically increases the value of your home, but makes the sale process a lot easier. Refreshing your kitchen, which involves installing new appliances, painting cabinets, and updating hardware, has an ROI of 67%. 9% of all homes in America have a finished basement. This is why buyers are looking for this scarce but important detail in potential houses. It can give your home an edge in a competitive market. U.S. Census report states that basements are becoming essential living spaces for families and entertaining. The average return on a basement conversion to a living area is 86%. Adding an extra bathroom or bedroom are just a few home improvements that can bring a significant ROI. Adding a bedroom can have up to a 56% return. When it comes to reselling a house, most people will look for 3 bedrooms at minimum. Adding another bedroom to help meet that threshold can change the property value and the attractiveness of your home to buyers. The exterior is the first thing a buyer will see when they approach your home. Investing in new windows and doors brings benefits beyond financial return. The improvement in the quality of living and energy efficiency savings are just a few benefits of this home remodeling project. Installing a new roof will have a 100% return on investment, and so will installing a new garage door. New windows will have a 63 to 67% return on investment when comparing wood and vinyl, while doors will have 60 to 63% when comparing fiberglass and steel. Thanks for watching. We're United Country Real Estate, your experts on all things country homes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks again, and stay tuned for the next video.